Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and today we're going to plant our 12-inch fuchsia baskets. Our fuchsia baskets, we put in 6 different types of fuchsias, and it's what we call our random mix. So there's 6 fuchsias, but they're all different colors. So you get a beautiful blend of colors and different colors of blossoms. So for these, we've got 18 different types of fuchsias we're growing this year that we'll have here in the store, and I'm going to get started with these. So we're putting a blend of like the giant and the trailing and the more compact fuchsias. So this one here, we've got fuchsia giant Bella Rosella. So I'm going to put one in here. The girls already have these ones planted, and they have pre-filled this and dibbled it with a dibble board. So it's got one in the middle, and then what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 7? Are we putting 7 in? Yeah, they're getting 7. I messed up. Okay, and then fuchsia giant bicentennial. So I'm gonna put another giant one in. Actually, I'm gonna move this guy over. So we got 2 giants opposite, and then I'm going to put in a trailing one. This one is trailing Claudia. This one has a really pretty flower. I looked this one up. If you want to see all the colors of fuchsias we're growing, we have them all on our website. Put that guy right in the middle. And this is Fuchsia Bella Lydia. Put this one right here. Here we've got Fuchsia Bella Olivia. Put that one right here. And this is Fuchsia Bush Caramel Blue. I don't know what color that one is. Do you know what color that is?
No.
Okay, and I'm going to grab one more tray. Fuchsia Bella Evita. That one right there. So here we have our blend of 7 fuchsias, and a lot of these were custom ordered. These ones are going to be here in the store, but we had a few that were pre-ordered. That will go in the back. Get the hangers on. There we go. And our hang tag. Fuchsias grow in the shade, and they attract hummingbirds. So if you would like to feed the hummingbirds, definitely put some fuchsia baskets on your shady side. So there you have it.